This video I'm going to teach you how to clean a Mac. Click Apple icon, top left, run software update, restart or shut down computer. Some updates won't run unless computer is shut down. Go to Finder, lower left, get rid of apps you don't use or want. App folders. Get App Cleaner, it's a free download. Uninstall Mac Keeper program. Use this utility. Go to Spyglass icon, top right, type in disk, should be number 1, then hit enter. If you get the spinning wheel, that can be early hard drive failure. Click Mac hard drive HD. Click Verify Disk. When done, click Repair. If you get error message, can be hard drive disk error and have hard drive problems, or may have corrupted OS file. Click Verify Disk Permissions. When done, click Repair Disk Permissions. Click Go on top. On keyboard, hold down the Option key. When you do, you can get to the library files. Go into the library files, click Applications, Support, scroll to bottom folder called Sync Services. You can highlight files to see how much space it takes up. Don't delete the folder, just the contents. Hold Command key, tap letter I. It should show you how much it's using. Back to the main library folder, scroll to iTunes, big files, delete, like, restore files, etc. Click list view on top to see the size of the file. Go through iMessages. If you have a lot, delete them. If you're on an iPhone, go there, delete all your messages and text messages. Lower right, Time Machine or Time Capsule Editor. Tell it to back up when you're not using the computer. iPhones, bottom, go to top right, empty trash button, hit empty trash button. Go to top right, empty trash button. After then you empty trash on the Mac. Lower right, click Apple icon. Top left, iPhoto library. Manage. It removes duplicate photos. Click bottom left, Downloads folder. Highlight Downloads on left. DMG files take up a lot of space, delete them. Command delete key. Send files straight to trash. Look on Finder, left hand side, home folder, a little house icon. Look for folders called Music. Inside Music is iTunes folder called Mobile Applications. Delete them. Delete contents of folder. You can get all apps back at the App Store if you need it back free. Go to Finder, top left, go to System Preferences, Users and Groups. Make sure there's no old user accounts. If you don't need them, click the lock icon, put in the password, click on the account, minus symbol below to remove. Go to iTunes, click Music, top left. Go to View, top menu bar. Show duplicate icons. Show duplicate items. Gray bar at top. Delete low quality version. If you want to clean your cache in a Mac, go to Finder, top left. Then go to folder type. Type in code /library/caches click Go, edit, select all action tab, select all action tab, move all the trash, Macintosh HD library, open library folder, open cache folder, open that up, select all action, send to trash, put password, hit OK to delete, hot command key, right click trash, secure empty trash, under your name on the left highlight, same thing, shut down, reopen it. If you have Mac startup issues, MacBook Pro laptop won't start, can't remove battery, need special tools, order online, remove the back, disconnect the power cable from the motherboard, wait 5 seconds, plug it back in. Hold power button down for 10 to 18 seconds, then release. Reset SMC on MacBook. Plug in charger. It should go from green to amber. That's normal. Press Shift, Control, and Options. Hold the power button too at the same time, and hold all 4 keys down for 5 seconds. When you let go, the light should turn green, then back to amber or red after 3 seconds done. On iMacs or other devices, unplug the power cord, press power button, press and hold it down for 5 seconds. Plug power cord back in. When you turn it back on, the System Manager controller will be reset. If your Mac is stuck on boot screen, restart by pressing and holding the power button. Hold Command Option and the letter P and R on the keyboard. This will reset RAM. Keep pressing keys till second chime, then release. Reboot like normal. Reset startup disk. Restart again, hold Option key during startup. Use left-right arrow to select drive. Go with Mac HD. Press enter. It will try to start normal. If don't work, try hard reset by holding the start button till it shuts down, then hold the shift key to boot to safe mode. Release shift key once you see the Apple logo, then go to log on screen, log on like normal. In the next screen, Disk Utility, restart, hold Command R key. Keep pressing Command R till OS Utility screen. Click Disk Utility, continue, select hard drive. Click Repair Disk once. Done, try restart. Close Utility Manager, click the Apple logo, click Restart. If that don't fix it, click Reinstall OS X. Click Continue in the upper right. Connect Wi-Fi, put Wi-Fi password in, connect to internet, click Try Again, follow prompts to reinstall all your system. After that, it should be working like normal. Thank you very much. This is Mike Locascio. That's your Mac tutorial. I hope it helps you. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.